Come on. Let me harvest you this morning. Beautiful cucumber. Nice cucumber harvest. Looking big and beautiful. Look at you. Okay, I see some small cucumbers that I'm gonna have to come back and get later. Let them get a little bigger. I see. Look at you, I see you. See a lot of blooms. See a lot of blooms. A lot of cucumbers. Small ones still growing. Look at you. I see you. I'll come back and get you guys. Let y'all get a little bigger. Let you get just a little bit bigger. Then I'll come back over here and harvest. Got another harvest of cucumbers. Look at you. I see you. I see you. Look at y'all. Continue to grow. Continue to grow. Some big and beautiful cucumbers for us. Bees are at work. Okay, bee. Okay, do your job. Do your job. Okay, I see you. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Bunch of bees out this morning. Okay, do your job of pollinating my garden. Okay. Now, see why you're leaning all over there. You got this heavy okra weighing you down. I need to harvest you this morning. Look at these habanero peppers. It's time to harvest you guys with your beautiful yellow color and your hot self. Okay. I got my okra harvest this morning. It's just one, but more are coming. Okay, I think it's time to harvest some bell peppers. Yes. Look at y'all. Okay, yeah, got this one over here got the plant hanging down some. Got so many bell peppers on here. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at all of those bell peppers. Oh, there's one plant. Ooh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bell peppers on one plant. That's good. Come on. Keep growing, bell peppers. Look at here, look at here. Okay, bell peppers. Y'all doing good, looking good. Let's see which one I'm gonna harvest today. Okay, look at you, look at you. Bug, get off my bell pepper. Get off my bell pepper, bug. Okay, bell pepper. These here over here, the little ones, they turning red. Okay. Let me harvesting some bell peppers today. Take some of these heavier ones off. Stay weighing these plants down. I think I'm gonna harvest 3 today. The rest of you guys, come back and get y'all when y'all get a little bigger. Looking good. Bell peppers grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay, last week I started sowing some seeds for my fall growing season. I have some cabbage that has started germinating already. Okay, cabbage. Look at you, look at you, look at you. Okay, cabbage. Okay, cabbage. The rest of y'all come on and germinate. Looking good. Come on, cabbage. I have some cauliflower over here. Don't have any germination, I think, but one. I look like that one. I have a little small plant coming up, sprouting up there. Here's my broccoli. Don't have any germination over here yet. Had a lot of rain last night and today. I got some germination over here with my cabbage. Looking good. Over here, I have some romaine lettuce that I sowed seeds for. Don't have any germination on them yet. But look at here. This little tomato plant here, still hanging in here. This is one that I had from last season, and it's still hanging here trying to produce some more tomatoes for me. They say it ain't giving up. Okay, tomato plant. Keep producing. Keep growing some more tomatoes for us. And over here today, I harvest some bell peppers and some cucumbers from Big Mama's garden. Looking good. More big harvests to come.